Hey guys, Gaz again. You think that was a fluke? I can do this over and over and over again using the same video or a different video, just using different keywords. Let me show you another one for you and show you how I'm going to rank this in minutes also. Yeah, let's first of all do a search for it. It's called the Ori drone review, and this is a cool little drone actually. It flies 60 miles an hour. Yeah, here we are on Google's first page. Let's scroll down. Yeah, there's only got one video saying introducing the U53 Ori. Yeah, we're using different keywords, so we should be able to rank for the keywords that we're using, which is Ori drone review. So I'm going to pause the video, come back in a few minutes once I've managed to rank my video. Okay, I'll be back in just a touch. Guys, it's been 2 minutes. Let's have a look and see if I've managed to rank for it yet. And there you go, guys. 3 minutes ago, you can see I'm in #1 in Google, the Ori drone review, yeah, uploaded by Gaz Cooper 3 minutes ago. That I've just proven to you guys with just 2 of those drones, I can rank in literally minutes. Yeah, and you can do it by just changing, like for instance, this one here, I could do the Ori drone flying example, or the Ori drone review 2018. I can change the keywords. Go to Google Suggest, just click down and it will give you a whole bunch of suggestions. Yeah, create the videos around those. You're going to be able to do this loads of times, guys. And these aren't even on the market yet, so you're going to be able to set yourself up. Yeah, so when they do hit the market, you're going to be raking in the commissions. This is so simple, guys. Anyone can do it. If you're already in the drone niche, grab this because you can add some amazing content for your drone site. If you're not, we're providing you a drone site also. Get involved, guys. Remember, the early bird gets the worm. It's going to be the guys that act fast are going to be the guys that are going to cash in this year on the best drones, the best selling drones of 2018. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the inside.